When a child has been injured in some type of an accident and they have a claim, the settlement of their claim is going to be monitored and must be approved by a circuit judge in Florida. It's a totally different process than if an adult is injured and settles their case on their own or even with a lawyer. When a child's injury case is settled, particularly where they receive over a certain amount of money in their settlement, the judge has to approve the settlement. And there is a step that has to be taken in that process. A petition has to be filed asking the court to approve the settlement. An independent lawyer called a guardian ad litem is typically appointed or brought into the case to review the settlement, to make sure that that lawyer agrees that it's in the child's best interest. And this guardian ad litem, this independent lawyer, then writes a report that goes to the court. In some cases, they may come and testify that they agree or approve what the amount of the settlement and how it's being structured. So then the court then has a hearing. Many times they'll want to hear from the parents or the guardian for the child. They'll have the report and recommendation of the guardian ad litem. And at that point, the court will make a decision whether they approve or disapprove the settlement of the minor's case. Of course, when a minor gets money in Florida, you don't just give them a check. There is a process or a structure set up so that the minor won't receive the money, and typically until they're at least 18 years old. Sometimes the money is delayed even further. So the various ways that that process can be accomplished, but this is something that clearly I would recommend that anyone having a minor settlement case needs to work through a lawyer, but the lawyer will understand and should understand exactly the process that's involved.